Hi readers, it's Harley. I've been thinking about you because we're about to jump into rainforest research, and you're going to be doing a lot of that research using digital resources that you've probably never seen before. So today I want to teach you how to use a really important digital resource called a Padlet. Let me move myself over and watch me as I take you on a tour through a Padlet. This is a Padlet. If you don't already have your reader's notebook and a pen, please pause this video and go and get it. Okay, now that you have your reader's notebook and a pen or pencil, take a minute and jot down something that you notice about this page. You can pause the video if you want more time to write. We hope you notice that this says PS 183 because this is just for you third graders. This is your special Padlet. We also hope you notice that there are many different rainforest animals that you can choose to explore from this Padlet. Teachers always use ants to teach you, so we're going to click on ants and we're going to see what happens. Here we go. Oh, that's so cool. It took us to a totally different page. Take another minute and jot down something that you noticed. If you need another minute, pause the video. We hope you notice this cool picture of an ant. We also hope you notice that there are 3 columns of information. The first column says web pages, the next one says videos, and the next one says infographics. Let's start at the beginning. Web pages. We made a video last week where we taught you how to read web pages and not to get distracted. So now we think you're ready to start exploring web pages. If you come over here, you'll see a drag bar. If you click on it, you can drag down, and you'll notice that there are 4 different web pages that we've put on here for you. They go in order from easiest to read to trickiest to read. We hope that everyone will start with the easiest to read web page. And if you click on the web page, it's going to take you directly there to what your teachers picked out for you to read to learn about ants. Okay, we'll close that. Now we're going to move to this column. It's called videos. I bet you can guess what's in this column. Go ahead. Absolutely right. It's videos. If you click on this drag bar, again, you can scroll down and see that there are 4 different videos we found for you. These are not in any particular order, but you can read the title of the video underneath the little picture. And you can see which videos you might want to watch to learn about your rainforest animal, in this case, ants. And on this last column, you'll see something called infographics. That's probably a new word. Can you say infographic? Can you tap infographic? You tap it, infographic. Awesome. An infographic is a compound word. It's 2 words put together. You might notice the word info, that's short for information. And you might notice the word graphic. Graphic's another word for pictures. So an infographic is something that combines information and graphics together, information and pictures. Let me show you what one of these looks like. Let me shut that off so it's easier to look at. You might notice that this mostly kind of looks like a poster, and there's some pop-out information on the poster. We like infographics because they're really easy to read, and it gives you just a few facts, but they're usually really important facts. So that's another type of text that you can use to learn about your rainforest animal. I'm going to close out of ants. I also want to show you the Epic Books website, and as soon as you pick your rainforest animal, which I'll tell you about in just a minute, your teachers are going to assign you some books to read on Epic. Your parents should have all gotten an email invitation to join Epic. If they haven't yet, please reach out to your teacher to let them know. So for right now, we are going to send you the link to this Padlet. And it's your job today to click through and explore some of the animals and decide which animal you want to commit to doing your rainforest research. So we challenge you. get to know these animals, and